This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Victoria Bace Perdomo. Beautiful waterfront townhouse located in the desirable Coconuts at Bonaventure community in Weston. This well-maintained home features an open and bright floor plan with granite countertops and matching backsplash, newer kitchen cabinetry and pantry doors, and stainless steel appliances. The first floor offers easy care tile flooring, while the second floor is finished with comfortable carpeting. Additional features include accordion shutters upstairs, hurricane panels downstairs, tinted windows, and tranquil water views. Rent includes basic cable, common area maintenance, and membership to the Bonaventure Town Center Club, offering outstanding amenities such as multiple swimming pools, fitness center, tennis courts, basketball courts, bowling alley, billiards, indoor roller skating rink, theater, clubhouse, and much more. Conveniently located near top-rated Weston schools, parks, shopping, dining, major highways, and everything Weston has to offer. A wonderful place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Bace Perdomo at 954-232-9730.